OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. It's a conceptual framework that segments a communication or computer system element into seven layers. These layers facilitate the effective coordination and communication among various pieces of hardware and software in a network environment. The OSI model, which is usually used when discussing communication and network protocol, is a fundamental concept in networking. The seven tiers of OSI model are from highest to lowest: application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. Each layer has specific responsibilities and function, and the model helps in understanding and designing network architecture and protocol. Certainly, here's the brief explanation of each layer of the OSI model. The application layer, layer 7, ensure effective communication with other application program on a network. Presentation. The presentation layer 6 performs data translation, compression, and encryption between application. Session. Session layer, layer 5, manage the connection between two communicating endpoints. Layer 4, transport. The transport layer, layer 4, ensure end-to-end communication across a network. Network. The network layer, layer 3, moves data between network segments. Data link, layer 2, moves data into and out of a physical link into a network. The first layer is physical. The physical layer encodes data bits for optical and electrical transmission across the network. Application layer. The topmost layer, the application layer, communicates with end user programs directly. It offers a range of network service and programs, including file sharing, online surfing, and emails. At this layer, protocol includes HTTP, SMTP, and FTP function. Presentation layer, also known as translation layer. Data compression, encryption, and translation are handled by this layer. It handles various in data formats and character encoding to make ensure that the data delivered by one program is understood by another application. Session layer. The session layer creates, maintain, and break connection or communication session between two devices. It also manages data interchange, synchronization, and checkpoint. Transport layer. End-to-end communication between two devices is guaranteed by this layer. Its effort tools for flow control, error checking, data fragmentation, and reassemble. At this layer, TCP or Transmission Control Protocol and UDP User Data Gram Protocol function. Network layer. The network layer is in charge of transmitting data between various networks based on optimum topology and addresses. It chooses the optimum route for data to go from the source to the destination. Data link layer. The reliable data transmission between two network nodes that are directly connected is the responsible of this layer. It manages data framing and addressing for transmission as well as the error detection and correction. Physical layer. This layer, which deals with the physical hardware aspect of the network communication, is the lowest one. It describes how data is transferred as electrical, optical, or radio signal, as well as the physical characteristic of the transmission medium, including as cable and connectors. These seven layers work together to enable communication between devices on a network, with each layer performing specific tasks to ensure data is transmitted accurately and efficiently across network. It's important to note that while the OSI model provides a conceptual framework that All networking protocols and technologies fit perfectly into this seven layer, so it serves as guideline rather than a strict standard in practice.